Hello, everyone. Welcome to our video on cell and its organelles. Do you know? Back-end index pointing right, the cell is the basic unit of life. Back-end index pointing right, all living organisms, plants, animals, and humans, are made up of cells. Cells are very small, but inside them, there are many tiny parts called organelles. Each organelle has a special job to help the cell survive and function properly. Today, we will learn about animal cell structure, nucleus, cell membrane, mitochondria, lysosomes, ribosomes. So let's begin. Keycap 2 Animal cell structure. An animal cell is usually round or irregular in shape. It has three main parts: cell membrane, outer covering; cytoplasm, jelly-like substance inside; nucleus, control center of the cell. Inside the cytoplasm, many small structures called organelles float and perform different functions. Unlike plant cells, animal cells do not have cell wall, do not have chloroplast, usually have small vacuoles. Animal cells help form tissues, organs, and organ systems in our body. Keycap 3 Nucleus. The nucleus is the most important part of the cell. It is called the control center of the cell. Functions of nucleus: controls all activities of the cell, contains genetic material called DNA, helps in cell growth and reproduction. The nucleus has nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus. Without the nucleus, the cell cannot function properly. Keycap 4 Cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outer protective layer of the cell. It is also called the plasma membrane. Functions: protects the cell, gives shape to the cell, controls what enters and leaves the cell. It is selectively permeable, which means back-end index pointing right, it allows only certain substances to pass through. This keeps the internal environment of the cell stable. Keycap 5 Mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Why? Because they produce energy for the cell. Functions: convert food into energy, ADP. Help in cellular respiration. Mitochondria have outer membrane, inner folded membrane, matrix inside. Without mitochondria, the cell cannot get energy to perform activities. Keycap 6 Lysosomes. Lysosomes are called the suicide bags of the cell. They contain digestive enzymes. Functions: break down waste materials, destroy damaged cell parts, protect the cell from harmful substances. They help keep the cell clean and healthy. Keycap 7 Ribosomes. Ribosomes are very small organelles. They are known as the protein factories of the cell. Functions: help in making proteins. Found floating in cytoplasm or attached to rough ER. Proteins are important for growth, repair, bodybuilding. Without ribosomes, the cell cannot produce proteins. Direct hit conclusion. So today, we learned that the cell is the basic unit of life. The nucleus controls the cell. The cell membrane protects the cell. Mitochondria give energy. Lysosomes clean the cell. Ribosomes make proteins. Each organelle has a special function, and together they help the cell survive and work properly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Smiling Face with Smiling Eyes.